Imagine for a second that you are one of the 260 million people watching Netflix right now. You hit pause on your TV, walk into the kitchen, open your phone, and boom, it knows exactly where you left off. It feels like magic, but under the hood, it is a massive engineering challenge. To make this happen without crashing, Netflix uses three powerful database superpowers: sharding, replication, and partitioning. Let's break down how they work together. First up, sharding. Imagine if Netflix tried to store the viewing history of every single human on Earth on one giant computer. It would melt. It's physically impossible. So instead, they use sharding. Think of sharding like a massive sorting system. Netflix takes your unique user ID and assigns you to a specific server. If your ID ends in A, your data lives on server 1. If it ends in B, you go to server 2. This way, no single computer gets overwhelmed. They distribute the load across thousands of machines, so the system stays fast for everyone. But what happens if server 1 catches fire? Do you lose your watch history? That brings us to the second superpower, replication. Netflix is paranoid about losing data, so they use a replication factor of 3. This means whenever you watch a show, that data isn't just written to one place. It is instantly copied to 3 different servers at the same time. They even go a step further. They replicate your data across different parts of the world. So if an entire data center in New York goes offline, your app simply connects to a copy of your data in Ireland. You keep watching, and you never even notice the failure. So we have sharding for speed and replication for safety. But there is one final trick that makes Netflix incredibly efficient. This is partitioning. Netflix engineers realized something important. 99% of the time, you only care about what you watched recently. You want to resume the movie you started yesterday, not the one you finished 5 years ago. So they split your data into 2 distinct partitions. They have a live partition, which holds your recent activity. This is small, uncompressed, and lightning fast to read. This is what powers your continue watching row. Then they have a compressed partition. This holds your entire history from years ago. They squeeze this data down into a tiny storage format and tuck it away. The system rarely looks at it, which saves massive amounts of computing power. So, the next time you switch devices and your movie resumes instantly, remember this. It's sharding splitting the crowd, replication backing it up, and partitioning organizing the files. That is how Netflix keeps the show going.